Hi there, James here. So I'm going to be teaching you 3D graphics modeling, and I'm going to be teaching you Blender. So it's going to be the latest version, Blender 2.80. Blender, if you don't know, Blender is a free 3D modeling animation. You can do everything on it. I used to use 3ds Max more. I still use it, but that's a lot of money. I've been using 3D graphics commercially since 1999. For clients, you can check out my website. So I've done art projects with 3D, creative projects. I've worked for engineers to visualize their massive underwater 3D wave machines. I've also worked for museum work and robotic arms, things like that. So check it out, jamesableart.com. And this is a model I'm making for my own 3D science fiction story called 3zuni.com. And in this workshop, I'll show you the ropes so then you can progress and get to learn how to make models like this just from a box. So this model just started from a scene like this. And you can also make very simple models for abstract, minimal work. For example, look at this. Just make something simple like this. So you could project that, you could print this out as a 3D print, and I'll show you how to do that. And then you could cast it, for example, as a piece of jewelry, or you could even project it onto a wall, get it like a nice abstract projection like that, to make sort of architectonic kind of work. In fact, I've got a big board here, so I'm probably going to be doing this. I've got a cheap projector, and then I'll trace over a pattern like this and put it onto the board and then throw sort of blue paint on it. So you're mixing the digital with the traditional. And here's another piece that I'm working on for my science fiction visual story. So you can see, although Blender's free, you can achieve advanced models with it. And that's it, basically. So I look forward to seeing you at the workshop. And remember, whatever creative project that you want to do, 3D graphics can give you a new tool set. For example, anything from fine art, sculpture, jewelry, illustration, comic books, movies, computer games, you name it, 3D graphics is a great tool to at least know how to use some of it. Thanks very much. See you soon. Bye.